Bitcoin is still trading here in this falling wedge, and the question is, will we finally get today this breakout to the upside that we are so anticipating and waiting for, or will we see a massive fake out to the upside and a dump to the downside? So I have found clues that will actually tell us where Bitcoin might be heading here, so you should definitely don't miss this episode and watch it until the end. And if you're new to the AMCrypto family, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. And now let's get here straight into the content, guys. So here on the daily chart, as you can clearly see, Bitcoin is still respecting this falling wedge in which the price action is consolidating and coiling up for a bigger move here in the short term. So, and it will be a move either to the upside, where we finally get this breakout to at least to the top of this channel here of $50,000, or a break to the downside where we potentially break to $35,000 or even lower to $32,800. So I have drawn in here this channel because Bitcoin is respecting this upwards trading channel here for quite a while now. As we can see, we have here higher highs along this line, and we have here on the bottom also higher lows along this line here. So, and Bitcoin is to the T respecting for now this channel and bouncing up and down in between. So, and we are now here at the bottom of this channel. So the most likely outcome would be another move here to the top of the channel to around $50,000, and that would also then fulfill the technical target of this falling wedge pattern that we are seeing here. But I also want to show you something else. Okay, sorry guys, there my gimbal stopped working for the camera, so I have to do it like this right now. So that's why we have here this little cut. So, but it's still the same video, guys. So here we have this 600 moving average on the daily chart. So, and as you can see here, Bitcoin was respecting this here in the past pretty accurately. So, but the problem is now when we're looking at this. So here was support, support, support. Here it was also support, but now we have broken the support because the Bitcoin price has here multiple times in a really short period of time tested this line. So, and the more often we test the support, the more likely it is that we are actually breaking to the downside. So, and that is exactly what we are seeing right now. So the Bitcoin price has broken under this. So, and the Bitcoin price has to come above this line here so that we can technically resume this uptrend that Bitcoin is still in the weekly chart. So when we're going here back into the past, you can see that we had here multiple times fake outs. So like here, you know, so this was only a small period. So here from March to April, you see there was a month that we were under this line. So now we are 2 weeks under this line. So in the next 2 weeks, I expect that the Bitcoin price comes back above this line here, but actually even earlier. When we look here on this chart, I have found this on TradingView. So here we can see a similar scenario has already played out in the past when we're taking here a close look here. So here we had consolidation phase and upwards trending channel. Then we went into a falling wedge, and then look what happened afterwards. So afterwards we went here on a massive run to the upside and created our all-time high. So what we are doing now, look at this here. We were consolidating, now getting the falling wedge, and the next what should be following is a massive move to the upside to around the $56,000 area. Also the RSI is pointing a similar picture like we did here in the past last year. So we have still a lot of signs here that the Bitcoin price should lean here a little bit more to the bullish side than to the bearish side. So, and I'm preparing definitely for a quite big long position once we are getting here this breakout out of this falling wedge pattern that we are seeing here on the 4-hourly chart. But where will I open my long position? So I will open my long position the moment that we're breaking above this yellow upward sloping line here. So, and that is at $38,750. So once we are breaking with a daily candle above there and close the candle, that will be then the moment where I open long position. So and if you want to trade with me, guys, then don't forget you can still go to BYBIT and claim $4,050 in free bonuses after you have met the deposit requirements, and get 0% maker fees. So when you place a limit order, it will be 0% for you, only with my specific link here and only for you guys. So and also on Phemex you still get $4,100 also, only with my link. So these are insane bonuses if you think about this. If you use here 10x leverage and Bitcoin goes 10% up, you will make here for free $40,000 on each of these links. So a combined a combined profit of $80,000 that you can afterwards withdraw. Think about it for a second. So that's quite a lot of money. Even for me, it's really a lot of money. So and now let's get back here into the Wyckoff pattern for Bitcoin. Also here, the next move to the upside is what should be following here. So I don't want to repeat myself here over and over. But yeah, so that is what we are technically waiting here for. So I don't want to bore you guys, so I might just stop here in a second. So I just want to draw your attention for one moment here also to my signals, paid signals channel, guys. So here in April we achieved here 230%. If you want to be part of my signals channel, the link is also in the description below. You can directly reach out to my staff and they will get you hooked you up with the signals. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this content. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and I will see you again tomorrow.